Hey everyone, welcome to WealthScienceX. I'm Tony.
I'm Jamal. We hope you guys liked last week's video with the Tesla technical analysis. This week, I'll be talking about the Dogecoin mania.
Yep, and also this week I wanted to touch about the Coinbase IPO. It's a huge win in the crypto world. And make sure you join our trading Discord community. We've got live trades, live technical analysis, secret sauce, and more. And before we get into the video, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and let's get to the video. All right, hey everyone, Tony here. So just want to talk about the Coinbase IPO that happened this week. It's been getting a lot of attention. Is Coinbase overvalued, undervalued, or is it correctly valued? Personally, I think it is severely overvalued. Did I buy any of the Coinbase stock IPO? No. Do I buy any IPOs? Not really. Just to give you an idea, just to compare Coinbase's valuation, like compared to say the NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange, and also NASDAQ. Right, NASDAQ right now is $26 billion market cap, and the New York Stock Exchange is 67. So, you know, these stock exchanges have been around for a while, and there's history, and there's companies, and I'm not saying anything about Coinbase, but Coinbase is coming in at the same valuation as the New York Stock Exchange. That just tells me that's severely overvalued in my mind. And that's why I am expecting a massive crash in the stock of Coinbase. I do want to purchase some. I don't think I'm going to purchase some anytime soon because it's just too soon. But Coinbase, I do have a Coinbase account. I do trade on Coinbase. I do like a lot of their assets. I do believe in the vision of Coinbase, but altogether their stock coming in at, you know, the $344 as it is right now, in my mind, is overvalued. Their market cap is overvalued. What are your thoughts, Jamal?
No, Tony, I also think that the Coinbase IPO was overly hyped. Just with Coinbase, with crypto and Bitcoin being at all-time highs, I think that's fairly correlated to the Coinbase price. I'm not buying any for my long term at this price, but for a swing trade setup for next week, we can see that most of the IPOs, after 4 to 5 days from their initial debut, they either go through a large swing to the upside. And if you look at the technicals on Coinbase, we can see like a small uptrend forming. So it's a good stock to watch for traders for the next week. And that's the only way I'm trading Coinbase. I'm not investing in it. So one of the cryptos that's been taking off like a rocket ship this week was Dogecoin. This is a crypto that Elon Musk has been tweeting about and pumping to all the people following his Twitter account. And you know, the 1 year chart on Dogecoin is insane. Tony, you can see it's, you know, overperformed most of the cryptos.
13,000%.
It's crazy, right? Tony, what do you think about what do you think about Dogecoin?
I think it's it was created as an altcoin, and the myth is, I guess, it was a meme for Bitcoin. I think it was actually created by a couple of engineers who were pretty bright, who made it. Do I think it's a real investment? Not really. Do I think it solves an actual problem? No. Does it have anything fundamental of worth in my mind? No. It goes against pretty much all my investing principles to buy in it. But in my opinion, I don't think it's a long-term investment. I think it's a pump and dump. And if you want to make money and try, you know, go for it. But me personally, I would just own some just because. But like it's like I would not expect this to be a long-term strategy by any means, and have zero expectations of it.
Yeah, I'm in the same boat as you, Tony, where I think you know, next time Dogecoin crashes when the crypto winter starts and all cryptos crash, it would not be a bad idea to buy some Dogecoin on the super cheap. So if we look at the 1 year chart, Dogecoin was 0.003 cents. So it's quite overvalued at this point, and you can see the major inflection point since April 16th, where Doge reached an all-time high of 36 cents, which is crazy. Right now, a lot of people are buying Doge at the absolute peak. So that's something you need to be aware of. Am I investing in Doge at this all-time high? No. Am I willing to put money at this point? Of course not. And for people who have any Dogecoin positions, you really want to treat this very carefully. And if you've made some solid gains, at least secure 30 to 40% of your portfolio, because none of this is realized until you sell. And that's where a lot of people, when they look at their Robinhood and they see how much their Dogecoin has gone up, that's all fake money. Until you execute and sell, that's not realized gains. And we don't want people to get trapped in this pump and dump scheme that we see going on. Crypto's, it's not regulated. A lot of people with big money can come in, pump a crypto, and then the end user is gonna feel the effects of the dump.
All right, everyone, we hope you enjoyed this week's video. Stay tuned for another wild week in the market. Expect a massive crash in Coinbase. I'm calling it out. That's my expectations, and Dogecoin as well. Not a real investment, in my opinion.
Yeah, absolutely, Tony. Like Dogecoin, putting money in at this point, you're pretty much guaranteed to lose money. So you want to be very careful with what you do with Doge. A lot of people are taking their profits from Doge. Smart investors are pulling their money out of Doge and probably going to take that money and put it back into Bitcoin or Ripple or Ethereum. So that's how the transfer of supply and demand is going. And we can expect for the market new all-time highs. Nothing's stopping us, Tony. I think you've been aware of, the S&P and NASDAQ and Dow have been hitting all-time highs day after day. And until the Fed stops money printing, that's going to keep going. So, expect the market to keep going up.
All right, we hope you enjoyed this week's video, everyone, and we'll see you next week. Take care.
Peace.